Yes, children, we will learn about chain rule. How to find out derivative using chain rule. But before that, we should know where we apply this chain rule. So, whenever we have been given function of a function, then we apply chain rule. Suppose y is a function f of another function gx. Y is a function f of another function gx. Now if we have to find out derivative of this function, then we apply chain rule. Now how we do it? This is inner function gx. So we assume this inner function as some variable, like suppose t. So t is equals to gx. Then this is t, so y becomes ft. Now we find derivative of these functions. So t is function of x here. So we find derivative of t with respect to x. So it is g dash x. And we find derivative of y with respect to t, because this is function of t now. So it is f dash t. Now originally y is function of x. So we have to find derivative of y with respect to x. So dy by dx. Now this is dy upon dx. So we can write it as dy by dt into dt by dx. Now substitute the value of dy by dt, it is f dash t into, and value of dt by dx, it is g dash x. Now since we have this y as function of x, so therefore it should not be in t, derivative should also not be in t, so we have to resubstitute in t. The value of t is gx, so we write it as f dash gx into g dash x. So this is derivative of y with respect to x. So in this way we apply chain rule. Now let's take an example. Suppose y is function of sine 4x. Now this y is function of sine 4x. This is sine 4x. Y is equals to sine 4x. So this 4x is one function and sine is another function. So we assume this 4x as t. So let 4x as equal to t, then y becomes sine t. Now we know derivative of t, derivative of 4x. So dt by dx, it is 4. Derivative of 4x is 4. And dy by dt, this is cos t. Originally y is function of x, so we have to find out dy by dx. So dy by dx can be written as dy by dt into dt by dx. So dy by dt is cos t and dt by dx is 4 into 4. So it becomes 4 cos t. So originally y is function of x, so it should be in x here. So substitute for t, it is 4 cos 4x. So this is dy by dx. So let's take another function. Y equals to 2x plus 3 raised to the power 5. Now 2x plus 3 raised to the power 5. We have to find out its derivative. So here we have one function whole power 5 and another function 2x plus 3. So we assume this 2x plus 3 as t. So t is equals to 2x plus 3. Then y becomes t raised to the power 5 because this is t. So in place of this we have put t. So t raised to the power 5. Now we find derivative of t with respect to x. So dt by dx, it is derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative of 3 is 0. So it is 2 only. Now dy by dt. Derivative of this t raised to the power 5, it is 5 t raised to the power 5 minus 1. This is 5 t raised to the power 4. Now we have to find out dy by dx. So it is dy by dt into dt by dx. Substitute for these two. Dy by dt is 5 t raised to the power 4 into dt by dx is 2. So it is 5 to the 10. 10 t raised to the power 4. Now again substitute for t, it is 2x plus 3. So it is 10 2x plus 3 whole raised to the power 4. So this is, in this way we apply derivative of a function using chain rule.